Happy birthday, Chef! Kamusta? Nako, how does it feel to be 50? Tanda mo na. Oh well, wishing you the best. I love you. Happy birthday. And may all your dreams come true. Okay? So, see you. I know I'll be seeing you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you. Piolo Pascual ng Javier. I love you, I love you, I love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Javier, happy birthday mula sa bayan kung saan sagana ang kimchi at ang mga tao'y sexy. Korea!
Happy birthday, Kuya Alvir!
Happy birthday, Kuya! Stay healthy, tuloy mo yung paglalakad mo, and remember, marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Isa kami doon. See you soon. Enjoy!
Happy 50th birthday, Alvir! Enjoy your party!
Have fun! Happy birthday, Alvir! Ay! Happy birthday to you!
50!
Happy birthday, Alvir!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chef AJ!
Happy birthday, Chef AJ!
We wish you all the best and we wish you good health always. Love from all of us. We love you so much. We love you. We love you. Blow kisses. Look at their faces.
Blow kisses. Look at their faces.
They played with their markers. Look, this is what you get. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Hello po, Tito. Happy 50th birthday po. Pasensya na po, di ako nakapunta. Medyo na-traffic lang po. Miss ko na po yung family nyo and see you soon po dito sa US. Shoutout nga po pala dun sa only girl nyo. Balita ko po may crush yun sa akin. Shoutout din po sa mom and daddy ko. Mom, dad, nasa TV ako. Love you. Happy birthday po ulit, Tito. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happiest birthday, Dad! I wish you all the best and I pray that you get many more birthdays and I hope you spend your day well. Happy birthday again! I miss your bagnet.
Happy birthday, Tito Alvir! Hope you have the best birthday and hope you have a healthy year ahead. We love you. See you soon. Say bye. Can you blow him a kiss?
What's up, cousin? Happy 50th birthday to you. I'm praying for many more birthdays to come. God bless you more. Praying for good health, happy life. You have peace of mind. And I also pray that all of your heart's desire would come true. Again, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy and have a blast. I miss you and I love you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, friend! Sorry, wala kami dyan ngayon. Anyways, enjoyin mo yung 50th birthday mo. Alam ko marami ka nang na-achieve. Continue and more troubles and memories to us. I love you!
Happy birthday, Ninong Alvir. Enjoy your special day. I love you. Mwah.
Happy 50th birthday, friend. Wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Alvir! Enjoy your birthday party. We'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Alvir!
Ciao, Kuya Alvir! Happy birthday! Sabi 30 seconds daw, so wait lang natin. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best always and good health. I love you. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Very, very soon. Hopefully. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Tito Alvir. Ingat ka palagi sa work mo. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Tapos,
happy birthday, Tito. Salamat sa lahat. Wish ko sa'yo, siyempre, lagi, good health. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito. I wish you all the best. Good health, syempre. And enjoy life. Happy birthday.
Hi, Aldir. Happy birthday. Sana makarating ka dito sa Canada, and then we hope to see your family. My God.
Happy birthday, Alvir.
Yeah, enjoy your party.
Take care.
Miss you. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Chef! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
happy birthday, Chef.
Enjoy your day. Sorry, di kami makakapunta. Bawi na lang ako next time. I love you! Bye!
Hello, Albir. Happy 50th birthday. I hope you're having a good time with your celebration with the family and friends. I feel old.
Happy birthday, Alvir. Many, 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 many more. It's only 50, you're still young. Okay, have fun, enjoy yourself, and have a good time.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Albir! Enjoy your day! Enjoy the 50!
Mabuhay!
You look only 20. Okay, bye. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya. Greetings from Edinburgh, Scotland. Happiest birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come, many more walks to do, and many more menus to do. I miss you. I miss everybody. Stay healthy, stay happy, and God bless you all. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Alvir. 50 years old ka na. Tanda mo na. Sorry, hindi ako makapunta, hindi ako makaka-uwi to celebrate with you. Pero nakapag-celebrate na naman tayo sa Siargao. So, I'm sure bawang-bawi na ako sa'yo. Ang dami nating mga memories together. I really cherish nung mga nakapag-travel tayo together. Una sa Hong Kong, tapos sa Singapore, tapos sa Japan. Ang dami. Actually, pati sa KL, di ba? Nakapunta na rin tayo. So, sana marami pa tayong maging experiences together, and hopefully mag-enjoy ka sa celebration. I love you and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Albir!
Tito Albir!
Happy 50th!
Happy 50th!
Wishing you many more birthdays to come.
Maybe 50 more.
50 more? Okay.
It's too much.
Stay healthy. Sana continue with your walking, saka yung eating healthy. So, you live longer. We love you. Again, happy birthday.
Bye.
Hey, Albir. Happy 50th birthday. Hello, everyone. Albir, 50 years old ka na. Masaya ako bilang ina. How I wish I am there beside you. Pero okay naman, nandiyan naman si Reggie, si AJ, si Rivienne, at si Caleb. At ang iyong apo na si Ponching.
Albir, you have reached the golden year of your life. So be happy with it. And happy birthday again. And cheers.
Thank you everyone for coming to celebrate Alvir's 50th birthday. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye.
Cheers, anak.